أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Something new today. You ready?
Yes, sir.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA levels 16 weeks, Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.
You're over here.
Yes, sir.
What are we talking about?
We are talking
We will talk
about
about
the
form.
Form of poetry.
Poem.
Clear?
Yes,
Which
sir.
is the fourth element, no?
Yes.
There is a form of poem which is known as
Haiku.
Haiku.
what's the what? Haiku. It is a Japanese poem.
Poem.
It has 3 lines.
An ancient pond. A frog jumps in. The sound of water.
古い池や買わず飛び込む
The poem which has 3 lines is known
Triplet.
Teresa.
Triplet.
or triplet. So haiku is written in triplet. It is written in tercet.
Right.
Or in other words, haiku has a stanza comprising 3 lines. No points clear?
Yes, sir.
And it is a Japanese poem. No. Clear better?
Yes, sir.
As there are syllables no counted over there in sequin.
Yes.
Same is the case with haiku.
Cool.
That whenever haiku is written, so it is written in syllables.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Total syllables over there in sequin are
20.
22. The total syllables which are over there in haiku are 17. What is its pattern? Know that there are 5 syllables in the first line, 7 in the second line, and 5 in the third line. 5, 7, and 5 syllables in all 3 lines respectively. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This haiku is couplet.
Haiku is not couplet.
Is haiku quatrain?
No.
No. So what is haiku?
Haiku is a tercet.
Haiku is
Tercet.
tercet is triplet. No. How many syllables are there?
17.
17. In first line,
Five.
5. In second line, 7. In third line,
Five.
5. MashaAllah. Keep in mind this haiku does not rhyme.
Right.
It does not
Rhyme.
What is the subject of haiku?
Nature.
Nature. It is written on the subject of nature, or it is written on the subject of season. So whenever haiku is there, so we find 2 subjects.
Right.
It shall be about some
Nature,
nature, or it shall be about some season. And it talks about the time.
Time.
It discusses time.
Time.
隔離が生み出した俳句。
かゆい。気をつけて。顔を触るな。ごめん、無理。孤独。2週間。パジャマ着ている。洗わずに冒険。外出るな。世界が終わる。一度だけ優先順位。人類が絶滅危機に。iPad 進化。ネトフリが新ネトフリに。スカイプで紙幣。トイレットペーパーがなる。新通貨楽観。大丈夫。多分僕ならバカ野郎懇願。コロナ待て。5-7やってから日本語。クラスター。オーバーシュート。わからない。狼狽。俺はハゲ。これはコロナと無関係。健康。ベーグルを1日何個食べていい。日常。引きこもりの僕にとって同じだが、英雄たち金持ちが助けてくれる。もしもし、後回し。また暇だ。運動するか。映画後に絶望。嘘だろ。状況悪化。ネットない。東京。 週末は外に出ないで。お願いだ。想像。芸人の歌声聞いて微熱出た。勇敢。黒猫の雇用者こそが英雄だ。
Haiku is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.